Bro, how is this recording? My mic is muted يعني ماني فاهم. الو الو.
Bro, how is this recording?
Bro, it's recording. Yeah, what's going on, man? Oh, wait. الو الو. Listen, no, the فضيحة كذي. What if I want to mute and I need to say video capture device. شنو فيديو؟ ايه انت قاعد تطلع. اوكي. It's coming out of the microphone. Yeah, it's coming out of the microphone. Excuse me for that. Wait. تسدي يا باشا نعمل تسدي. It was coming out the what's it called? The video, the camera, the tiny microphone on it. For some reason, bro, I don't understand the stream stuff. I'm just trying to show people what I do. Okay. Now I gotta see on the laptop if it's registering my voice now. Why تجني طيار Egypt Air? Why is my voice like this? بس يلا هذا my voice. We're gonna get a better microphone. Okay, everybody, friends, people, homies. Okay, wait, let me mute this and I will keep a chat open here just in case. Hello, welcome, welcome everybody. We're back with new live with the camera on. We had a few live streams before. For some reason, didn't upload, right? But we'll do a brief update on the account. I think the last uploaded stream was on the 27th, so let's just head there. On the 27th, we closed the account up at 22k. Okay? And right now we're up at 25.7 thousand. Right? We started this account on the 19th of February at $20,000, 200. No, $20,000 on the dot. We made 200 on the first trade. And we're up 25 up to 25,700, 25,700. And let's just look at the trades we took since then. It's all gold, it's only gold on this account. We're just testing our charting skills, right? London session just opened, that's awesome. But we have one trade over here. This was a close half, right? It was 10 lots, but I closed half each time. It was 1,800. Then the next day we took a little short, 100, 20, 29, 171. US 30. These ones, I thought it was gold. I thought it was gold, but it wasn't gold. It was US 30, so I closed it instantly, right? And today, we just closed up a $1,000 trade. A little nice little $1,000 trade. I was up. I was in it since 11:30 a.m. my time. I was at my lecture when I entered it. I was looking at the chart. Huge lecture theater. Insanely big. And I'm sitting there, I'm like, I shouldn't be trading now. But I got an alert. A ding! Not a head thing like some Looney Tunes. No. I got a. Wait, hello. I got an alert on my trading view telling me, hey, gold reached this price. And I was like, hey, if gold reached this price, it means we have a high probability of moving up. Why? I will show you exactly why. Why did my finger look so weird doing that? But this is why. Man, we go up here. Okay? Remember our reject break? We streamed all of this, was beautiful and broke up. It broke more than up, man. This is so strong, could have went backwards, man. But look, we went up over here, okay? We go down, we go up, we go down, we start rallying, okay? We start rallying. We go up, we go down, we go up, we go down, we start rallying. What do we expect to happen next? Go up, go down, we go up, we go down, we start rallying. Bro, I'm like, this is a pattern. So when we reach here and we come back down, we start getting a consolidation, which means left and right, jiggly wiggly, left and right. We start saying, hey, maybe this pattern repeats. What's the probability of something else happening? Low, because recently the sequence of events we've been shown is that, hey, when price starts to consolidate, it goes up, it goes down, then it starts to boom up and rally up. Okay, let's follow the pattern. We're not here to predict what's gonna happen. That's gambling. I don't gamble, man. I follow the market. Okay, so market, and I'm not trying to catch these huge moves. No, 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 no. You're gonna catch those every once in a while. It's gonna make you money. But I'm here to make money. I'm here to go in and enter and take money out. Right? Cool. I'm not here to catch the whole move. But we went up, we went down. My alert triggered here. I thought we were gonna consolidate around here. We went down a little bit more. I was in like 1,600 drawdown. And we just ended up going up and we closed the position. So if we go on the 5 minute and actually really look at what happened, let's just put this down right here. We came all the way down. We came down here. We went up. We came down to the same price. The same price. The same place, right? Then we did something very specific. We broke this high over here. For me, that's what? That's a break of trend. A downtrend. You go down, you go up, you go down, you go up, you go lower, you go high, you go lower, you go high, but you don't break this high. You go lower, you go high, you go lower. You're supposed to go here and then go back down lower if it's a downtrend. But what happened? It broke up. Whoa. You're telling me, hey, the sellers are getting exhausted. They're getting tired. They're chilling. They're not going in right now. So it broke up here. So I said the next time we're gonna come down, I'm gonna enter more. So I entered more here. We got a 5 minute close. A 5 minute close above the zone, right? The body closed above the zone. Now listen, it consolidated here and broke out. I have rules. It's not, hey, did it close really high? Did it close really low? Close to the consolidation zone. It either closed above it or it didn't. There's no in between for me. You stick to your rules and they'll always work in your favor. But this time we closed above it, just right above it, right above it. So let me just really zoom in so you guys can see. But look at that line right there. We closed above this wick over here. But and I entered right over there. So we went up, took my order, my stop loss, minus 32, but that's break even. I'm not saying that's a loss, no way. We closed break even and we started rallying up, but we still had our first position in profit and we just closed it up here, right? For how much? 1,053. Why not? 50. This is I'm trading a session. I don't trade Asian session. I usually trade London and New York. New York sometimes because I gotta sleep. I got things to do. So depending on the day, depending on how I'm feeling, I don't get tired. If I see something, I'm stuck in it. I'm working for it, right? But that's why London session is a time where I'm feeling good. And when you feel good, you do good. So that's pretty much. But I'll just go over the trade on my Instagram. I posted it all. It's all up there. I don't hide anything. I show everything. Only believe traders who will show you trading live or them logging into a live account or them giving you live trades on like a Discord or something that doesn't say edited next to it. That doesn't say ignore this, ignore just live trades. Did it go right or did it go wrong? The way I like to do it is live stream. I'm not here to go and type here, guys, enter this. No, if you want to watch me, right? I'll show you that I can do it, right? For now, this is what I'm doing. 30 to 60 days. Phase one of my plan is to show people I am a trader. This is what I've been doing solid for the past 4 years. I started taking trading seriously 4 years ago. I've been trading for way longer than that, 8 years, here and there, looking at RSI and MACD and stochastic and Ichimoku cloud and all that stuff. But I started taking it seriously 4 years ago. But I documented it all over here. Let's watch it.
Buy on gold right here when I was in class and it came down right here. So I'm expecting a repetition of these events. I'm not trying to catch a whole move to the upside like this. You know, you can't be a perfectionist in trading, but you see, just see the pattern. You go up, you come down, then you start going up and you consolidate. Then you go up again. You come down, you go up a little bit, then you consolidate, then you go up again. So you go up, then you come down. I'm looking for us to consolidate here and then for us to go up again. But because this line over here is all-time high for gold, I'm not looking to take it up to here because there's going to be much implied volatility. But for now, we are in this buy over here. I am down $1,000. So it's just drawdown. So we're going to hope for a repetition of this pattern right here where we do go up. And if we do go up here, I'm looking to make around $2,000. So pretty much.
I'm going to show you the reality. Trade update. I'm down 1,600, bro. I'm updating it when I know this is at its lowest. I'm certain this is at its lowest. But I'm not going to enter more here. I don't see anything that's telling me it's going to enter more. But the probability that this is the low point, the local low point, is high. Trade update. Once again, we're at break even. Right? I put
listen, I entered 3 more lots here. We rejected right at that resistance there. I entered 3 more lots. This was a 3 lot. I entered 3 more just now, and I'm looking for this to climb up at least half of this candle, 75%. I'm going to put stop loss to entry on this one. If this wants to continue driving up, then I'll also put the stop loss to entry on this trade, and we'll just hold it until London session, until something happens. Otherwise, this keeps going down here, and then under this zone, I'm hedging 6 lots, so I will short 6 lots, so I stop losing. Even if this does go wrong, who cares? This is my plan. I've developed a plan. It took me a long time to develop a plan on how to trade. And I have a plan. And when I see my setup, which is part of my plan, I enter it. I don't care whether I win or lose. Of course I care if I win or lose. But in the end of the day, if it decides to lose, it loses. If it decides to win, it wins. I'm not going to feel excited. Oh, yes, I won. I'm not going to be like, oh, damn, I lost. I'm not going to feel like that either. But it's...
I will only feel excited when people I'm teaching make money. I don't get excited about making money. I expect myself to make money. I expect myself to breathe. I'm going to feel excited to breathe. I'm grateful for it. Oh yeah, wow. I'm not going to feel excited that I passed my test. I expect to pass my test. That's what is supposed to happen. So I'm saying I only get excited if somebody I helped study passed the test. I will feel good for them.
Just, oh, this is something I see, I'm entering that, right? How do I know, Yusuf, how do I know what to pay attention to, what not to pay attention to? This is what I pay attention to. This is one of the things I pay attention to. When I see it, I usually always trade it. So let's just see what happens. Okay, so we got a 5-minute close above this consolidation zone, right? You can't really see it, but the body of this candle, which is this part over here, closed above this zone. So what am I going to do because of that? I'm going to take my stop loss on the first trade, right? And I'm going to put it right where I entered. So if it does go wrong, it's not going to take any money from me, you know? I'm not going to lose anything if it goes back down. I can only make money on this trade, right? And the first entry was over here. So as soon as this goes halfway, we're gonna be break even.
It was for me. I was a medical student. I was a vet student, bro. I go to school, put my hand up a dog's ass, come home and try to trade, bro. What's this life? Tikfa, what's this? So what am I trying to do? Go uni, learn supply and demand, come home, يلا خلينا نشوف يشتغل ويشتغل. It works. والله رايح لي دارس لي طب شنو جوي شنو طب you have a skill, use the skill حبيبي.
But what I'm looking for is a continuation, right? You see these 2 lines on top? That's where I'm taking this trade out around there. So let it.
Wait. Before we start messing about, okay, حبيبي, what's going on? Oh, it was loading. Okay. Look how many sellers there are. 77% are selling. So what am I going to do? I'm going to look to buy. My bias is to buy today. Let's keep this going.
Let it cook up. I mean, look how sad this is, right? So you put a stop loss, you enter here, you put a stop loss. It hits the stop loss, then it keeps going. This is why I don't use stop losses, right? I hedge. And I only use stop losses when I'm in profit. So in a profitable position, so I don't lose anything. I entered here and I exited here. We lost nothing, right? And the first position is just now running. So we would have had a second position that kept going. This should be like around 1,000 now, but it's 270, whatever, right? So
my
as
English
soon
speakers,
as
man,
this
talks a lot.
passes, I have
Finish
rules.
up,
That's why I always put the
buddy.
stop loss to entry whenever it closes above his zone. But as
Stop
soon as
loss
this
to
closes
entry.
above
I
this
don't put
zone,
stop
this
loss
zone
to
here,
lose, only to
this
win.
zone here, I'm putting stop loss to entry on this one. I'm gonna let it run. Then I'm
Let
gonna
it
start
run.
live streaming
Let it
in
run.
exactly 1 hour, and we'll.
Okay, we updated the trade here.
Hey friends, I'm going live in like an hour, if not sooner. I might do it sooner. I got nothing right now going on. I finished studying, finished everything. Stop loss got hit while I was running some errands. I would have removed it, to be honest. But we still have one position in profit. We are up 700 on this one. I'm just gonna just open the live up with this position on, and yeah, let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Let's change them by the second. You know what? I'm a guy who likes to make my money. Let's start the day nicely. Yalla, hayakum Allah. I'm gonna start live streaming in 1 hour.
The only reason I did this is because the first position hit stop loss. I was like, man, that hit stop loss. I'm like, you know what? Let's just take it out and let's move on. If you find some trades in London, we find some trades in London. Let this be my Asian session trade. It was too, man. It was like I knew when it hit my stop loss. I was like, bro, should I enter this again? But I'm like, nah, that just doesn't make sense for me to put a stop loss at exits on break even and enter the exact same spot. What, I'm making my broker hella money like that? No. Awesome broker.
We're up 1K on the day. Should have been 2, but no shoulda, woulda, coulda. Give me my fucking 1,000. Yalla.
Back up with the task. When we go, feed your liquid nada, y'all.
That's my dog. That's my dog, man. That's the dog in me.
I won't only show you when I win. I will show you when I lose. I'll show you when I'm down money. I will show you everything. I fear God. I will never lie to you guys. I will never lie to you to make money. Never. Wallah al-azim, I will never do that. So when I am down 1,500, I will show you, hey, I'm down 1,500. I'm gonna show you and be honest that this shit is not easy. It is not easy. If you are not willing to sit there and work for 2 years and lose money and not make $1 for 1 year, don't ever start trading. You have to make sacrifices. I don't go out, hang out with friends. I don't go drink alcohol. I don't sit there looking for fun. I had my fun in my life, okay? Alhamdulillah. Now what am I doing? I'm working. Working towards what? Sam'ad al-Qutayna money, man.
I kick with the stars. I problem my phone, we gon' pull up with cars. I put less if I pull up on you, then we go in the war. You like that, it's a God. Kick with the stars. Problem my phone, we gon' pull up with cars. I put less if I pull up on
I can play my brother's music. كيفي صح؟ مو يعطيني كوبي رايت لا اروح له ما اسوي له شيء. انا جابر he will break me. بس يعني okay. Now let's start getting serious, okay? We did our review, we did our everything. Look, let's do one important thing right now, okay? Let's just clear up all this space. This is auto chartist on C-Trader, pretty cool. Use it sometimes. But let's mark one thing, super important. The horizontal line, exactly at the all-time high. This is the highest gold has ever been. We are there, but we didn't break it. Now, for me, this is what I'm thinking. Look, you have an all-time high, the highest. Bro, you have all these people. Bitcoin 65k. Habibi, look how much gold went up. What percent is this? What percent is this? Look, I will tell you exactly what percent this is. From here to here, okay? So from 2031 to 2140. How many percentage points was that? 2031. I'm on my trading view on the left monitor. To 2140. That's 5.3%. Okay? Okay? Market cap of gold. Okay? Market cap of gold 14.346 trillion. Okay? And it went up 5.3%. Okay? We're gonna close this. Now, we're gonna go to ChatGPT. We're gonna ask it to do simple math for us. 5.3%. 5.3% of 14.6 trillion. Okay? Bro, it's like 540 billion, man. Come on, yalla, I'm faster than this. 760 billion. Okay, now what are we gonna do? Now we're gonna Google market cap of Bitcoin. What's the market cap of Bitcoin? Let's go to coin market cap. What is it, like 1.2 trillion? Bro, where's the market cap? Fully diluted market cap. 1.33 trillion. Bro, gold in the last 2 weeks went up half of Bitcoin's money. Why the hell would I pay attention to Bitcoin? Who cares, dude? Who cares? Bitcoin's ultimate asset is going up so much, bro. Who cares? Look what gold did. This is telling you something's going on in the world. Something's happening. This is telling you something's happening, man. I can talk about exactly why I, as a trader, think Bitcoin is gonna. I can get it cheaper. 25k, 40k, 10k. I can get it cheaper. At least at one of those prices. At 40k, we'll analyze for strength. At 25k, we'll analyze for strength. At 30k, we'll analyze for strength for buys. At 10k, we'll analyze for. But it's like a tongue twister. We will analyze for strength, right? But what can I say regarding Bitcoin? I can get it cheaper, man. If gold, something with a 14.3 trillion, you know what, bro? What the hell is a trillion, man? 14.3 trillion market cap can move like this. It's telling me something's going on, man. It's telling me something is going on, right? And now because gold is at it's almost at its all-time high, it didn't test it. It didn't even test the all-time high. It got close, but it didn't. So for me to say, hey, it got all this buying pressure and all this momentum to come up here, my bias is like, dude, at least it's gonna want to test the all-time high or break it, make a new high. It's like any the guy got to the finish line. He was running such a long race, and he stops there. It's like, man, just go finish it, break the record. Just do it. And it's like, yeah, okay, I don't need to do much anyways. It is a lot. It's not like I don't need to do much. It's a lot, right? But the difference is just it can do it, man. It can do it. It's possible. It's possible. It's how the market works. It's manipulated. It's rigged. And I have to work in between the lines. But yeah, we're paying attention to this. Maybe find some buys to between there, or it goes up. We find some shorts. But for now, I don't see anything, right? I see maybe some potential buys at this price, but that's pretty much it. So like yani, just look how simple this is. We're going up, we go down, we're going up, we go down, we go up. So I would at least try to find some buys up to here. It's 26 pips, that's great, right? Because now we're in an uptrend. Markets take the stairs up, but the elevator down. So here we got our break of the high, which was this over here, right? We came down, we continued up. Now we're gonna come down, we continue up. Is it gonna do that, or is it gonna just completely reject? So what we can do now for now is just draw a trend line, okay? In fact, you know what we're gonna do? Instead of a trend line, we're gonna draw an equidistant price channel. Give it a range, right? I'm gonna give it a range right here. Oh, my PlayStation is on and I can hear some PlayStation music. It's pretty annoying. Yeah, that was a good entry. I ain't gonna lie. You know what? Let's put a starter position, bro, just to have some exposure. I didn't analyze anything for now. It's nothing. This is 0.5 lots. It's nothing, but it's just to show you that this is a trade I would take right here. I don't want to take a high volume trade for no reason, right? Because this can completely flip. I didn't do any analysis after I exited that trade. I still need to drink some water. I still need to go pray, and I don't want to enter a big position now, right? But so we have this trend line over here. So if we're gonna enter buys, I don't care what it does here. I care if it breaks here and continues and drives down, right? Because if it does, then we can look for shorts, right? But in, as long as we're above here, we can look for buys to where? To at least this zone. And then we do the same thing, where it goes up so much. Where's my pen? It goes up so much, and then what does it do? It comes down. And then it goes up so much, right? Same thing. Goes up, comes down, goes up. It's just like you as a trader have to identify, what do I need to look for? What am I trying to see? What's the market telling me is gonna happen, So pretty much. In terms of size, look, I did say I wanted to grow this to 23, 24,000 before I started taking 10 lot trades, but I would say let's take it to 26, 27, and then we're gonna start going like 2, 3 trades a session. Bang, 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 big size, big size, big size, big size, But yeah, okay. For now, oh dude, this looks beautiful. You know what? Look, let's just go by here, not 10 lots, okay? I'm gonna go the exact same amount I just went, which was 0.5, which is like nothing, but we'll take this, we'll put the same take profit around here. That's 300, that's $400. Why not? If it goes right, why not? I'll take 400. Why not? That's like 6 Ubers, man, you know? I think about it like that. Um, Okay. Okay. Yeah, pretty much. And if this goes wrong, we'll hedge it around here and take it down there. Then we'll look to buy even more. We'll buy 1 lot total here, take it up to here, and we'll close at a break even. But this is basically the plan. Right now, I don't see anything good. I don't like how it's close to all-time high. I wouldn't want to look for buys. I would actually want to look for sells because it's close to all-time high. But just ignoring that factor, I'm looking at structure. This is a simple uptrend now. We're in a simple uptrend. We broke it from a downtrend, excuse me, into an uptrend, right? Look how many sellers there are. 77% of client accounts with open positions on this symbol expect the price to fall. Bro, you think the market wants them to make money? No. No, it wants to take their orders, bro. So what is it gonna do? It's gonna squeeze up. That's my expectation. It's gonna squeeze up, right? Hit their stop losses. It's gonna move up so aggressively because the stop losses got hit, and then what's gonna happen? Then you get the big sell orders coming, and then it starts reversing. You see the same way how it came down so aggressively here, it hit the stop loss, stop loss, stop losses, goes down even more, and then the orders coming to go up. Same thing, but in reverse. Okay, I'm gonna go pray. I'll be back. Okay. Um, our little second position we entered got filled while I was praying, and this does not look good. Okay? It's tiny position, I don't care. But it's the structure. The reason I entered small is because I didn't really analyze it, right? I just took in the bias that, hey, we're in an uptrend. It can come down here and just continue going up. I took that first little buy here. I took the second one here. Limit order. This was a market. And we can take it up here. We can even break these highs and continue an uptrend. Or it just completely breaks and we just hedge a lot. We hedge one lot, right? Because we're in total one lot. And then we have a little, what's it called? A little position where we can manage our risk. You see how it's just aggressively breaking this trend line? So many traders have this trend line up. So many of them have it up. Let's fine tune it, okay? Yeah, well, this is going hard, okay? Yeah, because now that we fine tune it to this wick over here, we can get more indication of if it gets volatile here, would it bounce or would it just completely break? Because if this does break, yeah, well, this will be this has got a lot to go down if it does, you know? This will all get eaten up. But once again, because we're so close to all-time high, this little green line here is all the highest price gold has ever been. And we didn't touch it. We got close, but we didn't touch it. And for me, the way I think is that if it made an effort to come up this much, it's gonna at least want to test it, or better, break it and make a new high, right? You get headlines in the news, gold all-time high, ooh, everybody's excited or whatever, you know? But pretty much that's what I'm looking at for now. That's what I'm looking at for now. Nothing exciting, nothing exciting. I don't see anything telling me to enter bigger positions like a 10 lots I would usually take. But because it's a trade idea, I'll take it, but I'm gonna reduce the size significantly. I reduce the size by 10-fold, right? I usually take 10 lots. This is one lot total. So no need to take more than this. How much are we down? 200, 260. Let's turn off aggregated. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. Because this can be a bear flag, and if we do, I love bear flags, man. It's my favorite pattern to trade. Because if this uptrend completely fails, then it's going to go down aggressively. We take it to the top, to the bottom of the consolidation zone. Then we drag it to the breakdown. And then guess where the target is? That's awesome. Let me make this smaller. The target is at here. This is the next consolidation zone, which is what my rules are. You buy to the next consolidation zone, which is here. You short to the next consolidation zone. You can consider it this, sure, but there's more liquidity here, so it would be more inclined to drive down here, right? Luna, what do you want? Yeah, but pretty much, I don't like this here. I do not like this at all. Killish, killish, I don't like this. Yeah, I would have never entered a big size trade here. Nah, nah, this is too risky. It's too risky. So what will I say? How much will I be down? If I 200? يا عمي شنو? Yeah, 500. Yeah, look, if it look. شوف. We have this right here. We have this. We have this. Where's my rectangle? You see these wicks? These long wicks. So at this point, there's a lot of volatility. Let's draw it. شنو هذا sensor? Am I showing something wrong يعني? لا. Okay. Yeah, actually fill it. But let's turn down the opacity. Yeah. We have this. We can actually keep buying around here. And then if it breaks here, what about this then? If it breaks here, we're gonna. This is I don't like this. I'm not taking this into account. I'm just considering this an option. But if it breaks here, then we'll look to hedge. So you know what we'll do? We'll do this right here, and that's pretty much how I would like to see it. Because it can break down, take up some orders, and then go back up. I don't want to just hedge because it broke a trend line. That's just nah, that's not what I do, man. It's not that simple. I like confluence. Confluence is having multiple factors that coincide together, you know? So the guy is talking a lot, right? On top of that, he's saying something about your friend. On top of that, he said something about your mama. And on top of that, his tone isn't nice. You're gonna smack him. You're not just gonna smack him because he said something wrong. You will smack him if there's a lot of things that come together, you know? So same thing. I'm gonna take the trade or short or close the trade if a lot of things come together. It's not just one thing. Okay. So pretty much let's do a top-down analysis. So on the weekly we had huge. Let me remove this. خلاص يعني we're over the sport here. يعني we broke. We didn't reject. Huge moves to the upside. We had a breakout from this trend line, one candle, two candle, right? Huge. Weekly would close. This is how many pips? 500. This is 4. So around same size. Go down to the daily. We have a red candle so far. Can't really see it because all the drawings, but it's red, right? Are we gonna close the red candle or are we gonna at least try to fill this wick over here? I think we're gonna actually pop up to fill this wick. 12-hour. Yeah, same story. Nothing interesting. Nothing. 4-hour. Interesting. Now this is interesting. Let me show you why. You have a move up, two red candles. 1, 2, start moving up. A move up, two red candles. 1, 2, start moving up. A move up, two red candles, start moving up. 1, 2, 3 red candles. So, are we gonna say, oh, because it's one candle, there's one more extra red candle, the pattern is broken? Yeah, it is broken. I'm not gonna be a smartass, but you have to take into account that there might be outliers, and that look at this type of candle. This is what is this called? Doji shooting star. What is it called? Shooting star, or is it? I think it's a doji shooting star candle. No, it's not shooting star. It's a doji. Shooting star is it if it doesn't have a bottom wick. I think it's a doji. Let me see. Yeah, it's a doji. Doji looks like this, right? This is a doji, where it's really thin, but it has a long wick, right? Dragonfly doji, long leg. But المهم, doji, right? It's a doji candle, okay? So it attempted to close green. It's not that bearish, you know? So we can say that this possibly could have been green. If it was green, let's say it was, we would want to at least drive up here another 140 pips from this zone. 2-hour. But notice how the money's going down, so it is dumping while I'm doing this little analysis. Yeah. 2-hour, not really telling me anything. Now we're just back to, are we gonna close under the zone or not? 1 hour. Next thing I'm looking for here is, are we gonna close under the zone or not? We broke this trend line. It's reacting aggressively. 30-minute. Yeah, this is not a good idea. This spy. If this was 10 lots, we'd be down at 4,400. To be down 4,400 at this in this price, it's not nice because there's a very, if this dumps, like, look, I'm a type of guy to say I don't just close trades if it goes against me. No, there's a big but in this situation. We're at all-time high. We're at almost the highest price gold has ever been. If it dumps from here, what's the chance it comes back up here? It's very low. It's just gonna be, imagine it dumps a huge amount. To take it back up to this price, you really need something. Now You're not trading, you're gambling, you're relying on something to bring you back to all-time high. شغالة تكفى. And that's such a low probability. So, do I think this is gonna wake up? 100%. I'm very not 100%, but like I'm very certain that this is a probable event. That this can just wake up to here and look at where our take profits are. It's really short, right? Up to this top, because if it does want to go down and make like a little head and shoulders, sure. But I just feel based on my experience, it would want to come and test these regions again. And let's say it does go wrong. Do I think it can come up here? Here, dude, I'm very sure also it can come up here. And if it does come up here, we don't lose any money. We're at $0. That's halfway between the two positions, you know? So pretty much, that's what we're looking at. That's pretty much what we're looking at. If not, if it doesn't work, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna take a 3 lot short or a 5 lot short, and we will short it to where? Down to here, right? And if we take a 5 lot short, let's put a sell stop. Let's change this to 5 lots. Oh, 5 lots, modify order, okay? And we go down to here, we make 5,000, we lose how much? 800, we lose 1,000, 800, so we make 3,200. Great, you know? That's how I manage my risk. But for now, it's still in play. As long as we don't break under this zone and close under the zone. And which candle close? 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, one of the low time frame, nice looking charts. Then I think we're good. We're good. We're good. Like so many traders have this trend line drawn on. That's why there's a lot of volatility here. But once you pick up all the stop losses, that's when you see price start to drive. So same thing we saw over here. When it took my stop loss aggressively, then it starts to drive. It goes down, takes stop losses, then starts to drive. But yeah, pretty much, pretty much. I really do think this could drive up easily. Excuse me for yawning, but trading takes a lot of mental capacity. mental capacity. ايش قاعد تقول؟ شنو mental capacity؟ تستعبط. But it takes a lot of mental capacity. Okay, brother? يعني after sitting in a trade since 11:30 a.m. it's 7:14 p.m. here. It's tiring analyzing it. I'm not just waiting, hoping for it to go right. I'm analyzing it as it goes. I'm thinking about it. I come back to it in 10 minutes. I walk away. I come back in 30 minutes. I check it again. See how it goes. You know? But yeah, for now, we're good, man. We're good. We're chilling. I don't think I'm gonna take any big trades today. If I do, it's gonna be a short. I'm gonna short some good size and make some good London session money. But for now, unless it breaks down here, I'm in some small buys. It's only 1 lot total, so I'm not worried about any huge movements in price. But we are moving much more relative to how Asian session was moving, man. And that's some price action I would have wanted to see in Asian session, but we worked with what we got. So for now, yeah, I definitely should have waited. I hate taking trades right in the beginning of the session. I definitely should have waited, but this is not a, oh, I should have done this situation. This is a, okay, next time I'm not entering trades like that. I'll wait for the session to start playing out. Give me some response to, because we made an Asian session high here. That's why I closed it. Or this was a session high, the Asian session high. And then London Open, we started dumping down. So the first thing I would want to think is, are we gonna test the Asia low? And if we do test the Asia low here, are we gonna bounce off of it or are we gonna break it? You know? So that's why up here session buys. I don't really have anything, man. You know, I'm just letting it do what it wants to do because we're in an uptrend. In technical terms, we're in an uptrend, so we want to look for buys, but we're taking in the fundamental aspect that hey, we're at all-time high, so the probability of us completely driving up is possible, but because we're at such a high price, although we're in an uptrend, because we're at such a high price, there should be some relief, especially after these huge moves up. These are like insane moves. I haven't seen these moves in gold in a while, consistent back to back. So pretty much, pretty much. But yeah, so I'm just gonna put an alert here. Set price alert, bid, ask, whatever. Wait, my laptop's not muted. Okay, there. So yeah. Man, I have 8 subscribers. This is awesome, dude. This is awesome. I have 8 people subscribed to my YouTube. That's awesome, man. I'm not joking. That's awesome, dude. But yeah, this is dumping hard, man. This is dumping hard. Like this is a momentum candle. This is telling people, hey yo, I'm taking control of this market. Get out, you know? Some sellers came and were like, hey, I'm taking this over. You're not touching this. Yeah, this is really aggressive. This is super aggressive. So yeah, if it breaks down here, we'll take a 5 lot short. We'll try to close this at break even. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. This one's down 360. This one's down 170. Do I believe we can still come up? 100% I believe we can still come up. That's still not invalidated. We're only invalidated if we close under this, but because we drove down 3 candles here, 3 red candles in confluence of the breakup trend line, the next thing we have to see is if it breaks this zone violently and doesn't wick up like we did here before. These are wicks. This is a candle, and then you have the wicks, right? So as long as it comes down here and wicks up, we're good. But if it comes down here and starts to do something like this, you know, do something like this, and it closes, and then we get another candle where it opens here and then starts to go like this, and then we get another candle come up like this, and we get another candle, it goes down like this. We don't want to see this. We don't. This is like, this is a shorting dream, right? That's what we want to see if we're shorting, right? But for now, this can happen. This can easily happen. Like this, you know? Get a green candle here, then get another green candle like here, right? And then after it can do what it wants. But for something to just make a line down like we're doing now and to continue at this rate, low probability. You would need news to do something like that. So now we look at news. Is there any news? We have news in 4 hours. So maybe in 4 hours we can get a move like that. But for now, I don't think so. I don't think so. If it does, we need some news. Pretty much. But yeah, for now, one more. One more. One more. We'll take it up to here. Right? 1.5 lots. Build up a position. What's our average price? 2127. So our average price is exactly here. So it's like we entered here. Right? So as soon as price goes up here, 2127.2. So as soon as price goes up here, we lose $0. Am I gonna take it out there? You bet your ass I will. Because I just want to wait to see if this breaks. But do I think this is gonna relieve and go up here or here, maybe here? But I'm more likely just gonna take it out. Just this was not a best idea, right? I only do want to be taking the best trades, but I want to eat my food. I want to eat my food, and then we can focus on getting some nice trades in. I want a little snack. But yeah, and if this comes down here, we'll take another buy. Right, we can put it in already. Like here, buy limit. We don't need to do that like this. No, we can do it like this. Look like this. 0.5. I love this platform so much. Right? I can delete this, no? Okay. And then we will be in total 2 lots with an average price of here. Right? 2.2, 2126. What's our 2127.2? Yeah. So average price of here. Around here. So pretty much that's what we're looking for. I will open this tree up so you guys can see exactly. This top one is the total, and these three are the three positions I'm in. Right, I can remove it so you can just see how many positions I'm in total, and then down here on CTrader you'll see your total P&L, your net. But yeah, pretty much. I got some Vietnamese food, okay? And there is no way I am eating this on camera. There is no way. So I will turn off my camera because I will never expose myself for eating something that looks like this on camera. Okay? Yani, you understand? So I will turn off my camera, I will mute my mic so I make no sounds, and we will watch this together, okay? Okay, okay. Notice how this is slowing down here. How it moved down a lot, but here it's slowing down. And then if we look left, we have consolidation. So potential bounce, potential just rip up and bounce from here, just completely go up like this, like this. I won't put it like this, but like this, right? Go up like here. Possible. It's on the table. But what do we want to see to confirm that? We want to see a 5-minute close. This candle, we want to see it close above here. Then the next one, close above here. If we can get this one to close here, great. If we can get the next one to close here, great. But if we close on here, not good, but still fine. If we close on here, it's a problem. It's a problem. We have to manage our risk accordingly then. But probability says that we're more likely to go up. Why? Because I'm experienced, and my experience tells me that. We have consolidation. We come down, go up, come down, go up, come down, go up. If we're gonna come down and keep going down, then we're breaking the whole uptrend pattern. This consolidate up, consolidate. Because if you take note of this, we go up, then we come down, and then we start moving up seriously, right? We go up and then we come down, and then we start moving up seriously. We go up and then we come, man, but here it broke, right? So I'm not gonna take this as the up. I'm gonna say up, we come down, and then we go up seriously. We, what about here? Yeah, we go up, not high. We come down, then we go up seriously. This was the first rally, so it's the pattern starts happening here. 1, 2, 3. This is 4, right? So we go up, we come down, then we start going up seriously. So when we finish the stream, the price will be up here. That's what my experience is telling me. Repetition of pattern. We're following the market. We're following what it gives us. If it gives us a pattern, we're gonna follow it. We're not gonna trade against the trend because the trend is your friend. Pretty much. Because as this goes up here, we can put stop loss to entry. And then if this crosses here, then we can put stop loss to entry on this one. Because if we put stop loss to entry on these two, then we'll only have exposure to this one, and then we won't be down 3 times as much as we entered. We'll just be down like, if it goes wrong, we'll be down 500 instead of like 1,000 or something, whatever, you know? But yeah, pretty much. We want this 5-minute candle, or let's look at that 15. Let's look at that 15. Look. Now that we're on, I thought it was the 5-minute for a second. We want this 15-minute candle to do what? We want it to close above this candle here. We want it to close here. So it closes in 12 minutes, right? Now we want the same to happen with the 5-minute. It closes in, Haji, what's this? What's going on? This 5-minute candle, it closes in 2 minutes. We want this candle here to close above this. This over here. Because that will give buyers more confidence that this is going to continue up, because it's breaking structure. It's not doing something like this. You see how it wicked up here? The body didn't close, but it came back down. We don't want to see this. We want to see the body close above and then break down and then go up, right? So this wasn't a good entry because the body didn't close above. But because it's only 0.5, who cares? But in reality, even if it's 0.5, if it's 1, if it's 100, if it's 10, rules are rules. You have to follow the rules, right? That's how trading is, discipline. That's why I tell people who want to start trading to pray, because if they pray, what's going to happen? You become disciplined. You have self-control. You don't do things you're not supposed to do. You say, hey, Now's the time to pray. I will go pray. Hey, I shouldn't do this. I won't do this because it's wrong. So it applies to trading. You say, hey, I don't see my setup. I don't see what I want to see. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna take it. That's why Muslims make a lot of money because we're disciplined. 40 seconds left on the candle. Is it going to break? Will it not? My bets is that it will. And it will close above the zone. That's my bet. Right? And I am literally betting on that because I have money on the line. I'm not betting in the sense of gambling. No. I am entering because of a pattern and a series of events which I am following. I am not saying I hope this goes right. I hope this happens. I'm saying, hey, I know what I expect to happen, and I know what would happen if it were to go wrong. So damn, we got our clothes. We got our clothes, okay? The body is huge. Look what price does after a body of a candle closes above this wick, especially when you start coming down. Look how price responds to that. If price were to close like this, go up and then come down, then that's not good because you're just picking up shorts to go down. This should have been a short, but you're picking up shorts to go down, right? So let's just pay attention to how this responds to the previous candle closing above this zone. Because now what we want to see next is a close above here. And if we close above here, we're going to retest the trend line. If we retest the trend line, then we're going to have volatility. And we want volatility. Because if we don't have volatility, we're just going to be stuck moving sideways. We don't want to be sideways. We want things to move erratically. Because even if it does move erratically, we have a plan of if it moves down under this box, we have a plan of what should happen. Yeah, you notice how bullish that candle is becoming? The next one, because the candle before it closed above the previous one, that's what we want to see. I'm very confident that we're gonna reclaim this whole dump. That at least we're gonna go back up here to the first position. And we'll look to close it around here. We'll see how it responds. If things look good, we'll leave it. If not, we'll just take it out. Yeah. Because if we can build this account to 26, that would be nice, you know? So where would 26 look like? So here's 100, 300. Yeah, so Actually, no, because we'll have this loss. So this will be 200 here. If we take it back up to here, it'll be 300. Yeah. I'm gonna sit back. I don't know, man. On my I was thinking about something. On my Instagram story, I played my brother's music. Is it gonna mute my whole stream because I played my brother's music? Some copyright? Is YouTube gonna pull some stuff like that? I don't like this. I don't like this candle close. It does not look nice. This looks like it wants to come back down now. This candle, how it didn't close green. I don't like that. I like it when they close green. Okay, also, Asian session just closed. Let's see if that changes anything. La da 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 da. I'll put them on a shirt. I'll put them in Foxani. Okay, we have our 15-minute close in 2 minutes. We'll just go over once again what we wanted to see with our 15. We want to see what we saw with our 15 in the 5. Exact same thing. But we want to work our way up. Instead of a top-down analysis, we're going to go down to up analysis. So we had the 5 close above the previous candle. Now we want to see the 15 close above the previous candle. Then we want to see the 30 close above the previous candle, which is this, and close to the trend line. So pretty much that's what we're looking for. We're it's just the same series of events as always. It's just repetition of patterns. We're taking what the market gives us. So we go up here, we come down, we rally up. We go up here, which is the rally up, we go down, or we go up again, we come down, we rally up. Okay? We go up, we come down, we go up again, we come down, we rally up. We're just following the same pattern it's always been giving us. It's like it's telling me what to do. It goes up a lot. It comes down. Okay? Comes down here. Goes up, comes down even more, then starts to rally. Okay? It rallies, goes down, goes up again, comes down, it starts to rally. It rallies, goes down, comes up again, comes down, starts to rally, goes up, comes down, comes up again, goes down, starts to rally. That's the same pattern. It's the same pattern. That's what I'm. And can it go wrong? Yes. Do we have a plan if it goes wrong? Yes. So khalas, we'll take the trade. We'll take the trade. I won't enter one position. I entered one here. I entered one here. They're small positions, but who knows if we end up stacking 10 of these zero point 0.5 and we're in 5 lots and then we enter another 5 lot. Who knows? But for now, this is the pattern it's been showing us. The 5 minute here closed before this candle, above this candle previously. So we did that, we completed that. Then we go, if you want to do the 10 minute, you can do the 10 minute and follow the same steps and say, hey, in fact, you know what? The 10 minute did close above the body, but it's just too close. So we'll go to the 15. Go to the 15. What happened here? Did it just close? Look, 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 look. Habibi, I want you to see something, okay? Okay, this one, Iran trading. But look, the 15 didn't close. So now we want this to close above here, which is harder. So now what am I expecting to do? I'm expecting this to stay here. I'm expecting this to stay here for 30 minutes just because this one little thing. This is not giving confidence to buyers that this wants to continue because this candle didn't because this candle didn't close above this one. Didn't close above this zone. It just made a wick and came back down and closed under it, right? Because however high this goes, if it doesn't go above the previous candle and close above it, it's not confirming this little downtrend to be over. We're in an uptrend, but locally, just from that little rise we had that we took profit off of. We took profit and it dumped. And it's a good place to take profit because I would have had stop loss to entry here and I would have made nothing. But we took it out at the right time. It rallied a bit more, but that's the goes up, comes back down, goes up, comes down, then rallies. We're looking for that. So yeah, because that 15 minute didn't close under here, I'm expecting it to sit around this zone and then show us what it wants to do next. But yeah, pretty much, there's nothing different. There's nothing different. This is why I tell people, when you know what you want to see in trading, it becomes so boring, man. It becomes so boring because you're just waiting for it to happen. If you don't know what you want to see, every single movement in any candle looks interesting. You're like, oh, is this something? Is this gonna move up? Is this here? It's like, no, no. I know what I want to see. I want to see a 15-minute close above here. So what do I have to do? I have to wait for that. I have to wait 15 minutes for that because anything that happens in between doesn't matter, right? Because it can do all this, go down, left, go up, go down, and then all of a sudden, boom, and then khalas, all of that was just useless. So yeah, 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 pretty much. I'm just waiting here, right? Waiting for this candle to close above this zone here. Pretty much trading's boring, man. So I don't expect anyone to watch this. But what I do want to do is build my credibility by posting my live trades, posting me thinking out loud, posting me trading on a live account, live with live trades, all live streamed, or at least all shown live. I didn't live stream this last one I took, but Every single trade was documented and proof is there. I'm not gonna grow this account without telling people. I started this account to grow it online. This fresh 20k account. I started it to grow it online, and if this grows to 100k, we would have grown it to 100k online, right? And that's the plan, to just keep growing it, right? Once if we take this to 50k, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna withdraw 25,000 and then trade 25,000. Take that to 50k and then keep the 50k going. When I take that to 100, I will withdraw 50. Okay, then we have 75 profit, and we have 50 to trade with. So pretty much, give yourself opportunities. Offer yourself a place in this market. Okay. 10-minute close in 30 seconds. That'll be interesting. 3 red candles. Because you want to see if this now closes above. You see this 1 wick, 2 wick, 3 wick. You want to see if this body closes above these wicks, because that will confirm that, or give, I'm not going to say confirm, it will just give buyers more confidence to take this up. So that when this does retest, because what we don't want to see is for this to come up, not close above it, just go up, touch it like this, and then start to wick down. You know? Man, I would love to stream my trading view, but the problem is I can link my account to my trading view, but I'm seeing so many people on YouTube who are trading with TradingView, and it's obviously a demo account. It's like this 16-year-old kid trading a $300,000 account. Bro, you don't have $300,000, man. There is no way you have $300,000. You're sitting 15 years old. You're up like 20k and you're not making a face. Bro, if I was 15 and I was up 20k, bro, I would bro, I would play games and get excited. I would play League of Legends, go to my dad, I got a pentakill. Oh my god, get so excited. Right? Now imagine me, a kid, trading 300k, I'm up $20,000 and I'm sitting with a straight face. That's why I don't want to link a TradingView account. I want to show people that I cannot cheat this. This is a live Pepperstone account, right? I cannot change this live. I cannot change anything, right? There's nothing I can do. I can show account statements and link the account statement to my trading account name or the account number and show you it's mine. I can live stream the whole thing. I have options, but most importantly, I don't want to give people any sign or idea that I might be screwing around with them. I'd love to stream my trading view, but it's just I want to make sure I give people no chance to say this guy is fake, right? And that would be horrible, man. Cause I look at so many people and I say, man, these guys are fake. They're selling courses and they're not even showing them trading. Habibi, how do you want me to listen to you? شلون اسمع كلامك? How do I listen to you if you as a person are telling me how to do something and you're not showing me that you do it? Bro, it's like a professional rock climber. He's not, you don't, he's calling himself a professional rock climber. He's like, yeah, put your hand on here and climb this and put your hand there, put your foot here. But you've never seen him climb. Bro, the guy's gonna get you killed. Bro, you're gonna listen to him, you're gonna die. So same thing, you're gonna listen to the guy who you think is trading real money. He never showed you his real trading. He's just showing you how to do it. Bro, you're gonna lose all your money. I want to show people first. I don't want to teach you how to trade first. I want to show you that I can trade for 30 to 60 days. I want to have 30 or 6 to 60 live videos up. Then I will teach you how to trade. Because if anybody needs that sense of who is this guy, why should I listen to him, I will tell you the prerequisites of what it takes to listen to somebody. And the most important one is they live stream their trades. Man, this sunset is absolutely beautiful, man. No, 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 no. I'm gonna put this sunset up. 1 second, 1 second. Man, this sunset is beautiful. Screw the trades, man, for real. Wow, mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. The camera doesn't know justice. uh, let's go. Let's email that to myself. Okay, when's our next 15-minute close? In 7 minutes. Man, look at this. Look how lovely this looks. It looks nothing like the picture, man. It looks beautiful in person. I swear. But nothing more beautifuler than you. But see, Haji, this is it. This is it. This is how we do it. This is how we do. I'm in the club of the. But see, so pretty much now. يا ولد وش قاعد يصير؟ يا ولد شريت الذهب فجأة يصحى فجأة يا ولد سويت $1,000,000. بس ايه look, we want to see a 15-minute close above the zone. We have something called elite wave patterns. I use them, I'll get into them later, but this is an advanced trading technique. You shouldn't know what it is if you're starting out trading. It's not something you should follow. But it's an A, a B, and a C. We want to cross here. If we cross here, oof, that would be so nice, man. Do we have any news coming soon? I forgot. It's in 4 hours, right? Yeah, in 4 hours. Unemployment change. 150 expectation. Measures the change in number of people privately employed in the US. Generally speaking, a rise in indicators. Positive implications for consumer spending is stimulative to economic growth. So a high reading is traditionally seen as bullish for the US dollar, which means bullish for US dollar is gold down. Inverse correlation. Inverse correlation. Okay. Okay, everybody, okay. Man, my room is red. It's red يعني from the sun. ولك يعني ما شاء الله تبارك الرحمن. This is beautiful. This is beautiful, man. Not the trade. The trade is beautiful, but look, are we gonna retest and then come back down? Or are we gonna just bam, whammy, whammy? A close? Habibi, a close this one. I don't like this one either. A close. A close. A close, my friend. A close. The money. A close. The money is a little bit here. Here, the money. So the reason why I closed, I'm just gonna screw around, is that we did retest this trend line, right? I use trend lines. Most traders don't, but I realize why they don't is because they don't draw them with precision. Are they gonna say, okay, I'm gonna draw this trend line here? Look, I have a way of doing it, and I will make a video on how I draw trend lines. Is that I have a specific degree I want to see. If it's too steep, I don't draw them, right? If it's only respected by 2 weeks, which are very far apart, I won't draw them, right? But if they're precise like this, like 1, 2, 3, they are here 11 pips, here 14 pips, they're similar distance ahead, I will take them to account. So I will take this as a potential it touches it. It literally slowed down as we got there. It had this big move up and slowed down. So it could have been like a wick and then dumps back down. But so it came up here and I was like, listen, let me close these two. Let me reduce risk because if this does dump, then I have triple the exposure I initially had. You know, I have three positions instead of one. So because this can completely go down. And if it does go down, why? Why? I don't want to be in that position. I only want to be in the best positions. This is a probable trade, yeah, sure, but why? I'm not trying to make a big deal. My plan today is just to take it up to 2,600. I don't see me taking high size trades here for one reason, because we are at all-time high. The same reason I'm not trading the S&P now. Like, I have swing shorts on the S&P. Sure. I have swing shorts on an inverse ETF on the S&P. Sure. But I don't, even if it's buy, I don't want to be trading this. This is uncharted territory. There's nothing to the left, right? So it's like I'm not gonna wait for it to pull back and then keep buying, but what I'm gonna do is wait for a break of structure, then I'll short. So same ideology here. That's why I started trading gold. It's because it wasn't an all-time high, and I was sitting there on the sidelines of, not like on the sidelines, but I wasn't trading as frequently as I usually do. Why? Because I just noticed the market at all-time high, and I don't like trading all-time high because it can go wrong, and if it goes wrong, I don't like to close my trades at a loss. But if you're at all-time high, you have to close at a loss because let's say you're in a buy and it dumps. What's the chances it comes back to all-time high? It's super low. It's close to zero, right? If you're shorting and it's at all-time high and it continues rallying, the chances it comes back down is not as close as to the previous scenario, but it's still not that close. Man, I'm looking at the sun and I swear I haven't seen a sunset like this in so long, man. One second. Yeah, I was just looking at the sunset for a bit. Absolutely beautiful. See that clear rejection of this trend line? I don't know if it's gonna continue. It can continue, right? But just notice for now. I'm looking at the now. You can't predict what's gonna happen. But look how it just wicked up and closed under it, and now it's making a red candle, looking like it wants to keep going. Where does it do that? Does it do it here? Does it do it here? No, it does it here on the trend line. So that's why I took that position out. In because the probability of it continuing up was lower. So I just took what's it called? Um, two parts of the three position out, the three-piece position out, right? So pretty much, I was what, like 120. Yeah, little money, but we just reduced our risk because if this does dump, I don't want to be in these three positions because this will dump hard. This can be a easy head and shoulders. I have to adapt to every probability. You have one, you have the left shoulder, you have the head, and now you can be making the right shoulder, little trickle, and then just big aggressive move down. If that happens, what do I want to do? I want to be ready for it. I have to be ready for it. I have to be ready for all outcomes. Trading isn't about, oh, I see a bull flag, I'm gonna buy and put a stop loss. No, it's about what's happening to volume. How's it responding to the zone? How's it responding to this trend line? What's it doing now? Where is it going now? How's it respecting consolidation zones? How big are the candles? Are the candles closing on top of one another? Are they closing within a range? Are we getting a big dump? You have to ask yourself these questions as they're happening. Then you could start to identify probability. But yeah, pretty much. Hey, but the platform Pepperstone. It says up here, this one. I'm using C Trader to put the trades in. For people they use MetaTrader, people use TradingView. I use C Trader to enter the trades, but my broker is Pepperstone. بلشت الاكونت. شوف. Whatever. It's 20,000. 20,000. And now it's at 25,900. We want to grow it to 26. Just today 26. بعدين باكر إن شاء الله we'll take more trades. بس today 26. Because today يعني we made how much? 1,100. This week we made 1,600. Last or previous week. Where's previous week? ما في previous week. Previous month 4,000. يعني yeah, we want to take it to 26. Oh yeah, pretty much. تكفى عربي انا بس موجود. لا حق الناس اللي يشوفون الفيديو بعدين بيفهمون ولا كذي. بس اي شوف يعني بلشت ب20,000 وحاليا 25,000 وبيخلص اليوم مع 26,000. لما اوصل 26,000 ان شاء الله راح اسكر كل شيء وخلاص ابطل لايف باطل يعني. Okay, wait, let's check our 15-minute close. So we have a 15-minute close in a couple of seconds, 30 seconds. We got what we wanted to see. We saw with the 5-minute before how we closed the candle above the previous body. That gives more confidence for buyers to enter. The second thing we saw is a test of this trend line once again, and we rejected it. Now we want to see this at least close near the body of this candle, near the head of this candle, which is here, not the wick, but in hopes to at least close above it. But if we can consolidate, go left and right, then that will be good. But we just closed, we opened up here, we closed above the box. Our box is where it starts consolidating here, where all these wicks are. So you see this over here, all these wicks, we want to close above this. This is all orders, buy orders. A lot of people are buying here. So if the price stays above this zone, which is here, that means that the buyers are still present and we can go up. If not and it goes wrong, we go down and we start shorting. But for now, as long as we're above this box, we're buying. لا حاليا انا باستراليا. توني راد استراليا صار لي اسبوعين ولا 3 اسابيع حاليا اي باستراليا اي. قعدت بالكويت حق 3 اشهر. الحمد لله استانست يعني. I like how we're staying above this box, so we can take a buy here, and then once it goes up, we can put stop loss to entry, so that in the chance that we do reject off of this trend line once again, it just hits, and we don't lose if it wants to keep driving down. But an entry here would be pretty decent, I'm not gonna lie. If you go to the 1 minute, let's look. قول له شنو صار. Okay, hey. If we go look at this over here, like this, yes, like this, هني. Look at that. 1, 2, wick, and then here's the 3. So yeah, a buy here would have been decent. Okay, at least we have a point of interest now. So our new point of interest is this zone here. As long as we stay above this zone, I am super happy for this to go up so quickly now. You know? See some big red candles, some big green candles, sorry. You know, like this, but more, even bigger, even bigger. I'm talking like candles like this, like this big. I'm talking like this. Next candle, I think we're gonna see this big candle up. Why? Because we bounced off of this. It's so clean. It's so obvious that this wants to go up from here. So if we do stay above this zone, I feel like we're gonna drive up super high very quickly. So that's what I'm looking at next. As long as we stay above this trend line, I'm trying to see if it's respected. ولاك. 24 ساعة ها. عدي صارت فيني. بس قبل الحين مستحيل انزل ليه صفر. اخسر عادي يعني. بس ليه صفر؟ لا 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 لا. لا لا ما اقدر اسكر. يعني اذا رحت شي 75% الاكونت، يعني اذا عندي 20,000 فجأة صار 5,000 راح اسكر. اداول ب 5,000، فهمت؟ احسن لي يعني، احسن من ولا شيء. على الاقل اقدر اسوي شيء، على الاقل يعني اذا اشوف لي شي opportunity، اشوف يعني تريد. واو. ما اقدر اقول ما عندي فلوس، كان زين عندي فلوس اقدر ادش. على الاقل عندي 5,000 اقدر اسوي شيء، اقدر اخليهم 7، والسبع بعدين اخليه 11، بعدين اخسر بعد 2000، بعدين 9000 اخليهم 13، فهمت؟ Okay, but this is what we wanted to see. We want to see more candles like this, bigger, big, even more than this. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. So a buy here would have been beautiful. Now, the second thing we have to see is we fulfilled our first condition of that, seeing that big green candle. The second thing we want to see is what's it called? A test of this, and we want to see if it breaks it. Because if it does get close to it, it's gonna move even more up. If it breaks it, it's gonna move. You see this? This is nothing. This is nothing compared to what it will do if it breaks. So let's go back to the 15-minute. Okay. Nice, 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 nice. This is what we want to see. This is what we want to see. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yes, yes. This is what we want to see. Yeah, but give it time. Give it time. When we build this account to 27, 30, 32, we'll feel more comfortable to say, you know what? I'm going to enter 10 lots over here. So if this was 10 lots, let's see. Let's just go flip this to 10. Let's drag an order down to the bottom of here. Right? If this was 10 lots, That would have been an easy $2,500. That's great. That's amazing for such a. That's like 5 minutes or 3 minutes. $2,500 in 3 minutes. That's what I like to see. That's exactly what I like to see. See how it goes up over here, then comes down aggressively, and just shoots up. And also, we have news. We can't forget we have news in 3 hours. This is major news. It says new events available. Yeah. انا I'm in a buy. شريت عندي اوردر هني، بس عندي باي هني فوق. شوف، ما حطيت شيء. شوف انا دائما ادش يعني 3. شوف خلينا نشوف يعني whatever previous month 10 2 5 بس حاليا 0.5 0.5 يعني ولا شيء كلش ولا شيء. ليش لاني بس احتاج 27,000 ولا انطر سوري 26,000. بس احتاج 100. فهمت؟ يعني اللي علي اليوم اسكر الاكونت على 26,000 وبس. خلاص باكر انزل لايف مره ثانيه ونكمل. لان حاليا اليوم سوينا كم؟ سوينا 1100. يعني خلاص زين. فهمت؟ زين 1100 على اليوم. نودي الاكونت على نسكره على 26,000 وخلاص بس نستريح وباكر يوم ثاني. فهمت؟ But yeah, this is exactly what I am talking about. These moves up, these impulse moves off of a rejection. So a rejection picks up the liquidity, breaks, tests the trend line, breaks it even further. These are the candles I'm talking about. This is what we want to see, because this is giving confidence for buyers. راح ابيع لما ينزل، بس يعني حاليا الذهب مرتفع. فهمت؟ شوف هذا يسمونه اب ترند. اب ترند يصعد يمين يسار، يصعد يمين يسار، يصعد يمين يسار، الحين يصعد يمين يسار. يعني ليش اقول راح ينزل الحين؟ ما راح اقول راح ينزل، راح اقول خلاص يمين يسار ويكمل يصعد. راح اقول الذهب راح ينزل لما يطيح تحت هالسعر 2100 2120. لما يطيح ويسكر تحت 2120 راح اقول اوكي خلاص خلصنا مع يرتفع يمين يسار يرتفع يمين يسار. خلاص 2120 يسكر، راح اقول اوكي راح يبلش ينزل. بعدين يبلش ينزل يمين يسار، ينزل يمين يسار، نفس الشيء. بس حاليا يمين يسار بعدين فوق. بعدين ابيع. بس حاليا ما قاعد ابيع ذهب. كل انطر خلينا نشوف. اي كله باي في شويه سل. اي في سل، بس يعني ما سوينا فلوس صراحه. يعني اي سوينا سل هني 500، بس ما يعني بسيطه صغيره. فهمت؟ يعني pretty much حاليا ولك الذهب 200 2128 يعني ولك غالي لازم يعني لازم نشتري نكمل نشتري بعدين لما يطيح بعدين نبيع. انا شوف انا راح اشتري ذهب مو ذهب يعني كتداول يعني صدق ذهب صدق يعني لما ينزل ل 1700 فهمت. انا راح اقول لك راح ينزل ل 1700 1800 كذي راح اشتري هناك بس حاليا ما اشتري. ليش اشتري؟ Okay, it's honestly a good idea to exit this. I'm gonna exit this one, and we're gonna enter again later. Okay? Yep, there we go. I'm gonna exit this. I just didn't like how it's reaching resistance. It's just not worth it to keep that trade open. It did go up a lot. I do think it will go up, sure, but the entry was just horrible. It was not worth it. These entries here, these were good entries, but this entry is nah. This ain't it. So I'll take off this order too. Now I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait. There's nothing I can do, right? But I'll put this here onto like 5 lots, and the next trade we catch is gonna be a decent sized trade, right? I really want to take this up to 26k. It's like a psychological level for me, and that's something you should never do in trading. So I will tell you, don't ever do this. Don't ever say, I need to make a few more and I'll get it to there. Just leave. Whenever you think like that, just leave. Just leave. Okay. We can look for shorts here, I'm not gonna lie. We can definitely look for some scalp shorts here. Look, wait. I think we can catch a quick stop loss to entry. Here, right here. Look, we're gonna have a big move now. Chick, like this. We'll put stop loss to entry instantly. وليش قاعد يطول كذي؟ Come on, man. Come on, man. تكفى شنو قاعد يصير؟ Okay, it's already in profit, but I can't even see, man. لا حجي, what's this? I'm gonna open it from my phone. Okay, no, there we go. يلا. I needed $4. Bro, how much do I need? $4. Look. Watch this shit. Watch it, bro. Watch this shit, man. Watch this. This is an example of how not to trade. Look, watch this. We're trying to catch these micro moves. How much? Here, you need it to go here. Come on, man. It's only 0.1 lots. Yalla. I've seen this play out. I've seen this pattern play out. It's gonna wick. It dumps down aggressively. That's why I took the short here. It dumps one candle on the 1 minute. It wicks up and then it continues. Wait. I'm trying to make $4 here. This is like if I was homeless, this is what I would do. Wait, hold up. ان شاء الله باكر انا وياك يا الحبيب. موجود كل يوم بنفس الوقت كل يوم. حياك الله. تصبح على خير يا اخوي. مع السلامة. Yalla, this is what we want to see. This is it. You see how it went down? It's bro, this thing is bearish. Don't get me wrong. For now, bro, this is a potential double top. This is a double top. This is some advanced techniques, right? But when you get these double top situations, they're so obvious to people. Like, oh, resistance, oh, reject off resistance, go down. It's so obvious to the point where it has to take the liquidity. It takes their orders, breaks, or at least it goes up here to half the candle. Stop loss hits above here, moves aggressively, continues to drive down. You know, if my PC wasn't lagging there, we would have been good. I would have closed the stream. But yani they're trying to make me sit here to make $4. Four. Four. Where's $4? Bro, it's here, up here. Bro, I knew it, man. I knew it, dude. I knew it, man. Oh, I didn't do the up part, bro. I thought I was gonna do the. Bro, I know volatility, man. I know it when I see it, bro. It's obvious. It tells me, hey, I'm gonna be volatile here. I thought I was gonna at least wick up here, close $4, take a short 0.1. I like I was about to do some high frequency gangster, but wait, look how we wicked on our trend line. Wait. There's hope. Whenever I want stuff to go up, I play this. Watch. It always works. It always works. Listen. I play this. Stock market moves up. I have one that I play when I want it to go down. Wow, it flipped. It was 77%. Now it's 60. 77% we're selling. Now it's 60. بنات يلا بنات. ايه بيه جدي جدي ايه جدي 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 بعدين يصحى يعطوك كذا البيه وبعدين يطير. شوف ولك زقوا علينا البنات. This is what happens when I want to end the stream. Like I swear, if this trade just didn't, bro, if my platform didn't just lag out for no reason, خلاص جا سكرنا اللايف، سويت الاوترو، بس يلا جود فايبس. حاليا I'm هذا وحدة وهذه they're singing. شنو اخاف يعني اخاف انا، يعني انا اخاف شنو. يلا 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 last one يلا يلا ما it's still didn't finish huh. We have 25 seconds. فتك استغفر الله شنو هذا؟ لا مو لهالدرجة مو كذي. اوكي سكر خلاص. Didn't do anything for us. Stupid man, this is just trying to make four tiny dollars and I'm struggling. Why? Because I want to make the money. When you want to make it, it never works, man. You start looking at random stuff. But you think I'm scared? Dal, 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 dal. You think I won't take you up here? You will give me my $4, then, and then I will leave. I'm not leaving here until I have $4. Then, bro, that was the most obvious double top I've ever seen. This, the one goes down, and then two, how it went down so aggressively here. I was like, man, I should short it and just take it out here. But because it lagged out, I was like closing. I was spamming the close. Because if it, imagine I lagged out and I said I wanted to put stop loss to entry and it rocketed up. I would have been so sad, man. That would have been so sad. That would have sucked. Roaches in my cereal, headphones knock us with the Gucci primitives. And well, look, bro, I'm tired, man. I'm trying to go eat some food or drink some chai. I wanted to make $4, so I'm down 50. I'm down 30. What's my average entry aggregated? 21, 27.1. Oh, that's so close. You know what I'll do? I'll make it more average. Dada. How many lots am I in? 0.4. 0.4. Walak Jinni. Jinni high school. This is what I used to do in high school. $1,000 trading account? Man, I would trade like a madman. I would sit in class, my English class. I hated my teacher. She sucked. And I would just trade. And I loved it when they made us write essays because I would just trade the whole day. And then I'll just write my essay later and just bring it. Right? It was awesome, man. And then eventually she noticed I wasn't working. So what did she do? She said she changed the whole class. And she said, "Hey, everybody's writing handwritten." I'm like, what do you mean handwritten, bro? What's this? 2006? Who's handwriting, man? My handwriting is ugly. When I was young, I was born in Scotland. Went to school in Leeds. They use cursive there, right? I went to an English school. I used cursive there. Then all of a sudden I went to an American school. I started writing what they call print, right? Man, my handwriting became so ugly because of that. So when I write print, my handwriting sucks. Unless I really focus. But cursive, my handwriting is beautiful. So I wrote all of it in print. And I made it so ugly. And she hated me for writing it on paper. So what did she do? She let me type it. She changed it back. Bro, she changed it back. Watching this. I'm just trying to make $4 here. I ain't trying to make no. I'm entering 0.1 to make $4. And I keep scaling in more 0.1 so I can decrease my average entry price so I can make the $4 like at this price. I don't want to close this if it's not at 26. I don't want to end the live. I want to leave. I'm done for the day. Today was alright. It was a good day. How much did we make today? 1,200. Bro, that's good for the day, man. I didn't spend that much today. I made more than I spent. It's good, you know. For a 20K account, starting 1K is amazing, dude. Always take your profits. Don't just try to make every trade run. Let some trades run, but do it when you have a cushion, so that you can say, man, no, I don't want 2,000. I want 4,000 now. You let your trades go. Bounce on top of our box again. Go up. Little curvature around here, and then we start to dump again, possibly. If we break above here, man, I'm entering more. I'm entering even more. Because I do expect gold to relief, but just my bias is telling me that it wants to test. Ulla, where's that high? Ulla, that's high. That's a lot, man. No, no, no. Today? No way. No, no, because this data is gonna come out bearish. Well, saying previous 107 consensus 150 higher reading bear or bullish for the dollar, inverse to gold. We'll get some down action, right? But can we move up here before we go down? 2127.21. This is my break even. So I need us to go here. Okay. Let's drink some water. Let's wait. Alright, okay. A friend asked me to look at a little crypto. Wanted me to chart a crypto that's been bumping. Okay, let's look at this. Let's look at this. Bro, listen. One thing about crypto is I've never seen something start, go up, and not dump. Any crypto you see, bro, it always goes up and then like crashes, and then it's an accumulation, you know. So I'm on TradingView, so I can do a ghost feed. So it dumps here, dumps, then it goes in accumulation, and then you start going up, right? That's what crypto usually does. Like if we look at any chart, watch list, I have a lot of cryptos here. Let's just see anything, right? Year in finance, which is a horrible coin. I don't know. It goes up, then dumps down, accumulation. Here, it goes up, comes down, accumulation. Goes up, comes down, accumulation. Then you break. Then you see which one survives. Goes up, comes down, accumulation. Goes up, comes down, accumulate. It's just the same. It's the same shit all over and over and over and over and over again. Up. Here, this is like Bitcoin. This is engine coin, some AI game, whatever the hell this is. Bro, you got some stuff like Luna, which I bought. It goes to zero. This is where I bought Luna. ICP Internet Computers, a water trust, ADA. Yeah, it goes up, comes down, accumulation. But these are old cryptos. These Litecoin, Uniswap. These are old. XLM, Axie Infinity. Oh, look when I was trading it during the bull market. Ethereum Classic. It goes up, comes. It's just like this is what. Oh, this is Sam Bankman-Fried. This is FTX. Up CFX, some Chinese bullshit, which I actually bought a while back. Like here, I think I have a trend line. Yeah, here. Chain link. Like this is one that went up, comes down, accumulation, then starts breaking up. That's good. Ulla Shiba Inu. Welek. Whoa. Ulla. I mean, yeah, 3.5x, same as that little 0 times 0. But yeah, goes up, comes down, accumulation, then it starts to move up. That's uranium, Bitcoin Cash, RSR. It's just the same story. So when I look at this, when I look at like Yani, this is just telling me why is this the crypto that's just gonna keep going up and not crash down? You know? That's what I'm thinking, man. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. Pretty much. What happened here? Did we make our $4? No, not yet. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wait. Is it happening? Is this it? Mom, are we rich? Mom, I made $4. Is this it? Is this where we rip up? I want $4 of profit, honey, and I want it really free. $4 of profit. يلا خلصني بالك بدي اسكر اللايف وخلاص. بس لازم اقعد واوري الشباب ان انا اربح $4. يلا يلا. No, no. Okay, look, here's our $4 here, right? Look. Okay, we did it. The balance is there. The equity is it. Okay? So now we're gonna take this here, take profit, and this stop loss, or here also take profit here. How much can we lose? We're up $4 from the 26. So 7. Yeah, like this, like this, like this. Here. And we'll leave it. We'll just leave it. ايه والله 0 times 0 to 10 هجي. Bro, listen. If you know like 5 crypto tokens that are worth trading, give them to me. And when the market crashes, I will short them to 0, bro. I am so, يعني, I am so positive that we're gonna see Bitcoin so low again. Why? It's just, man, can it make all-time high? Of course, man. It can do whatever it wants. But my theory is just the liquidity inject. Listen. I love crypto. Okay, I love it. I love it. I love it for one reason. I hate going to a bank and having to transfer money and sign a form because it's so much, and then get it approved, and then have to wait like a week, 2 weeks. Haji, give me your Bitcoin address, give me your US whatever address, and I'll send you the crypto. And you get it instantly and do whatever you want with it. Cash it out, exchange, keep it, consider it money, whatever. But the point is, you can send liquid money or just something liquid instantly. That's what I love about it. But here's my problem with crypto, it's stable coins. I don't understand stable coins. I'll show you something. Bro, 103.8 billion. Okay? This is market cap. This company, Tether, Bitfinex, has never been audited. They've never been audited. Never. Look, so since let's go in here. 1 month, 96, 4 billion dollars, right? Since in 1 month, they're printing money. Every time, if you correlate this with the Bitcoin price, you will see every time they print, the market cap of USDT goes up, the price of Bitcoin goes up. Okay? I can show you right now. Look, I'll show you right now actually on TradingView. This is one thing I don't understand. This is why I'm so positive Bitcoin's going to go down a lot, because the money that came in from Tether never left. Never left. The same theory that when the Federal Reserve decreased interest rates and made money so cheap, the money flooded into the stock market and it never left. Never left, dude. So, same theory, but even worse because they're not audited. So let me see USDT market, USDT market cap, and Bitcoin. Okay. Last time I looked at this correlation was ages ago. Ages ago, man. But like, look, let's take a look at this together. Look. We're gonna go on the weekly. Okay, here it's actually look. Let's go to the daily. Let's make it more clear. Okay. So every time it goes up, they're increasing their supply of it. Okay. Let's go here daily. So let's see when it spikes up here. What happened to Bitcoin? Bitcoin started consolidating here. It spikes up. All of a sudden, we start getting these big moves, right? These 10% moves, these huge moves here. It spikes up again here. A delay after, it starts making these big moves. The supply starts going down and starts stagnating. Bitcoin goes down. As soon as the supply goes up, there's a bit of a delay. It goes up and then Bitcoin starts shooting, right? Let's look at an even more deep example. Huge money comes in, huge money comes in, huge money comes in, Bitcoin is flat. This is a lagging indicator. Huge money comes in. Look, so when I move the crosshair left and right, on the left chart, it's the same date as the right chart. So the vertical line is both on 26th of June. So when this over here starts moving sideways, okay, and starts going up, you get these big impulse candles. As soon as you see money start to come into USDT, you can tell Bitcoin's in for another bull run. When it starts leaving, this is when 2022, when it starts leaving, bro, you get huge dumps. You get one big exit, one big dump of market cap in USDT, it starts to go down like crazy. But what I notice is that when Tether prints, when they mint new, you see like Tether minted 1.2 billion dollars, Bitcoin starts to move up. So until I see this company audited and actually showing us that they have proof of reserves of $100 billion, I don't trust this price. Because for me, they can just print, the ideology is they can just print as much digital dollar as they want, inject it and give it to people, retail clients running 125x leverage on Binance, and just manipulate and pump the price up. So until, what's it called? This has this company gets audited, Tether, which I'm sure they will in the future, and they'll get regulated. Because why would they let some Chinese company have dominance over Bitcoin if Bitcoin is gonna be a thing? The Americans are gonna want to have their own dominance. And what do the Americans do? They have the Federal Reserve currency. They have power. So they're gonna regulate Bitcoin. They're gonna regulate not Bitcoin. They're gonna regulate stable coins. They're gonna issue their own stable coin, their own CBDC. You will see this start to go down because the money is gonna transfer into CBDC. That's gonna correlate with the money leaving Bitcoin. And then we can start to see Bitcoin go up or go down even more. But what I can conclude here is that, can I get it cheaper than this? Yes, yes. It's just simple economics for me. There's no value here, especially when there's fake money coming out of nowhere. يعني صراحة شنو صار هني تكفى. But honestly, man, I'll look at the zero times zero. You never know with these shit coins, man. Like I've seen people buy, bro. I was surprised I bought Luna. When I bought Luna, I bought it at $4 and then $7. Man, when it went to 20, I was shocked. I was out of my mind. I was like, no way. I've been looking at stocks my whole life and you're telling me this shit just went up in 12 hours. I woke up and it was triple, double. Are you serious? So that's when I realized, wow, that's when I really got into crypto, and I had that mentality where, yeah, I need to find the project. I was buying random shit, bro. I was buying bro. I bought Safe Moon, right? I bought Safe Moon at one point. 2 weeks in, I realized, yo, okay, this is a scam. This is obviously a scam. But I just kept buying random stuff, and a lot of them did work. But I just didn't know how to trade them. I just didn't know how to trade it. I didn't understand slippage. I didn't understand liquidity, and that's when I started taking trading seriously. 2020. I was like, whoa, there's so much money to be made in trading. No way. I thought trading was something just like Wall Street did, where they make billions. I didn't realize you can sit there and make like 20K, 40K, 50K, make 100K. I didn't realize you could do that. I don't know why. I thought it was just some either really rich thing or you just invest and buy stocks and make money slow. But then I discovered crypto. Somebody introduced me to it, and that's when I started taking trading serious. I'm like, damn, there's money to be made here, and I got really good at it. Alhamdulillah. I spent a lot of time. So I'll check it out. I'll check it out. I don't know what they do. I don't know what zero times zero is. But actually, you know what? Wait. Look. Let's do it right now. Let's do it right now. Zero times zero. I'm sure it's this one because it's higher rank. Okay. First thing I do when I analyze crypto is I look at the total supply, the max supply, the fully diluted market cap, circulating supply 860 million. So it's almost at full. Okay. Second thing I note is how many. It's not in any exchanges. Yeah, dude, Luna was insane, man. I was so bullish on it because I never understood stable coins. I'm like, where are they getting this money from? They're just making money. You're just printing digital money on a computer saying just add supply. How does that make sense? So that's why I was so bullish on it because the mechanism it worked out. I'm like, if they figure out how to make this work, where the price of Luna goes up, the circulation of UST goes down, and then when the UST depegs and goes to like 0.99, it burns the supply of Luna, which is locked in to give collateral and increase. And it was like, okay, that's it. That's the first time I'm seeing some people actually try something interesting and experimental. And when you're in tech, you want to put your money on the new stuff, because that's where you get the stuff cheap. So that's why I was so bullish on it. But when I noticed that it was in a death spiral, it was literally trying to peg and it was just burning Luna to the ground. The algorithm was just burning it to the ground, man. I was like, dude, this is probably gonna be the first crypto to go to zero that I've seen and been in. It's amazing. It was amazing to watch, man. I was buying it on the way down and taking profits, buying and taking profits, buying and taking profits. I made money total net on it, but I lost money on it too. But yeah, so not many exchange. It's not on many exchanges. So if this does go on an exchange, like no centralized exchanges, right? BitGet, I mean, yeah, who the hell uses, bro? Come on, not even $1 million in volume. Like that's nothing on BitGet. So if this does go on an exchange, you know, this can have some decent upside. But if it does go on an exchange, you have to open your mind up to one thing. It's gonna have short interest. There's people who are gonna want to short it because it went um, up so much. That's also something to take into account. But yeah, I look. I don't even know what they do, man. What do they do? Privacy, advanced AI. I don't believe any of this AI stuff. Everybody's putting AI to their name. Cutting edge. I don't like that word. It's dumb people trying to sound smart. Secure transactions. Okay. Opportunities for passive income. I don't believe in passive income. I believe you have to work for your money. Nothing is made sitting on your ass. Revolutionize. Look at these words. Revolutionizes passive income. Cutting edge. AI. These are using words to suck in like people, bro. This is like a scam. This is what I'm looking at as a scam. Like, why would they, out of all the words you could use, why would you use cutting edge? Cutting edge technology, unique, secure, opportunities, passive income, decentralized finance. يعني تكفى powered by advanced zero knowledge proofs in AI. Bro, I don't even know what this is, man. In cryptography, a zero-knowledge proof is a protocol method by which one party can prove to the other party the verifier. Okay, some privacy shit, basically. Through its innovative revenue sharing model. Revenue sharing model. Zero times zero distributes 100% of generated revenue to token holders. What does that mean? What you sell the coin for a profit, you make money, or you hold the coin, you just get money? deflationary. Okay. Interesting. Bro, why is this so تكفى كذي شنو? There's like a sun in my eyes, bro. Price prediction? What is this? Do they have a website? Price security confidentiality. Wait, what happened to this دقيقة؟ والله لا لا والله عادي ما فيها شيء. AI auditor. An AI smart contract auditor is a tool that uses advanced algorithms to analyze smart contracts and identify potential vulnerabilities or something. Bro, it's a mixer, bro. I remember Tornado Cash. That shit was cool, man. Privacy decentralized exchange aggregator is a tool that allows users to access multiple decentralized exchanges in a single platform while also providing enhanced privacy and security features. DEXs are decentralized. Okay, I know what DEXs are. Anti-rug AI is a tool currently. I've seen this before. I've seen people say this. Let me see what they say. To help protect users. You see how it says to help protect users? It doesn't say just it stops it from happening. It works by using advanced bro. It's like this. I don't like these words. Advanced algorithms. It works by providing enhanced privacy. It make cryptocurrency transactions more private and anonymous. Also, as a coin mixer, Tumblr, that uses advanced algorithms. Like it's like, hey, we don't want to say what we do because we don't do shit. So we're gonna tell you we do advanced algorithms. What advanced algorithm? And I mean, you can click find more, read more. Channel launch auditor. Let's see there. Let's see what this is. 100% the decentralized revenue sent back to holders. So like any that the exchange has commission and then the commission is sent back to the holders. But what is a simple code contact? Simple address payable function exploit public target call value balance function deposit. Oh my god, bro, this is not good. Bro, I wanted to make $4, man. Four, man. Wallah, if I wasn't lagging, I would have still been in this position. This 5 lots winner. It was up here. It was up here, man. I'll be like, I'll be like 3,000. Who's the team? Do we know the team? No, it's a private token. Of course, we're not gonna show the team. Sorry. No. Dynamic overview showing the product's potential. It's greater where financial transactions can be conducted with complete privacy. You see, like, no matter what you do, there's no such thing as privacy, bro. You know, there's no such thing. It doesn't exist. It's an ideology. Now, in this day and age, it doesn't exist. Because at one point, you're gonna take this money and you're gonna cash it out somewhere. Where are you gonna use it? Who's gonna take 0 times 0? Nobody's gonna take 0 times 0. Yeah, you can use a tumbler, you can use a mixer, but now we're in an age where it's not like you're printing the transactions on a paper and a human is going through it. You can run it through AI and say, hey, track every address this went to, and any address that's sent to an exchange, alert it. Then they contact the exchange, they wait for you to sell, they wait for you to cash out. The exchange has KYC, they know who you are, and there, the privacy is done, you know? Or, what's it called? Where was it? You just end up buying the token, or you buy something, you sell it. At one point, you move it to another wallet. At one point, unless you're going like over the counter to somebody saying, hey, let me translate it to Bitcoin. Translate it. Let me swap it to Bitcoin or ETH or whatever, and then go to somebody on the street and they buy it from you and they give you money, cash, whatever. Sure, but there's so many steps. I'd rather just accept that there's nothing I can do to be private. Reached over 90 billion in 2021. Increased demands of privacy. Yeah, Pancake Swap was gangster, man. Yeah. So, like slippage, swapping fees. Yeah. It's like a broker. Just they have commission, and now they're sharing the profit with the user. Business model. This is interesting. Token price 0.02. Average daily volume. Bro, that's bullshit. I just saw the volume was 800K. Yearly revenue 100 million. What? Is this projections? Fees year 1 million tokens. Teaching. Okay. To showcase his endorsement, we plan to use social media channels like Twitter. We received from influencers below our exam. Okay, whatever. Meet our team. Sir Enigma, Smokey J, Andy. يعني كلهم private here. Okay, launch on the Ethereum network. Okay, so it's a ETH token. What's happening here? Bro, this is so shit, man. Why the hell did I enter these boys? So stupid, man. Launch the beta version. Roadmap. So they did this stuff. Okay. Now here's their second part of the roadmap. Roll out updates to increase reliability and accuracy of the AI auditor. That's very general. Increase marketing efforts to attract more developers. It's general. Add more cryptocurrencies to the privacy mixer. Sure. Build partnerships and collaborations with other blockchains. You see, now they're doing things that they're saying things that are not in their control, like build partnerships and collaborations. How do you know you're gonna get a partnership? How do you know you're gonna get a collaboration? Okay, this sure you can do something to increase the accuracy, increase marketing efforts. How do you know you're gonna attract more developers? Right? I understand that's your roadmap, but how can you fulfill that promise? Build partnership. Okay, conduct further marketing. How do you know you're gonna get increased user adoptions because you marketed? Update, improve ecosystem, decentralized apps based on user feedback. Launch a governance platform. Yeah, this is what they always say: governance platform to vote. Explore new use cases, applications for the technology. Expand partnerships and collaborations. That's exactly what they said here. So we're gonna do it again. The collaborations to increase the reach of 0 times 0. Build partnerships collaboration with other blockchain companies and projects to increase the reach and impact of it. It's the same thing. So their adoption phase is the same as they have the same step in their expansion. Keep improving our dApps and new features. Maturity phase. Update and improve our dApps. Expansion phase. Yani, bro, they're just literally writing bullshit. Launch an all-in-one AI-powered developer hub for smart contract creation, deployment, and testing. That's the first time they said smart contract testing. Okay. Explore opportunities on other chains. Okay, sure. Monitor and analyze the market trends and adapt to them. What the fuck does that mean? Foster a strong community around. Why don't you want to do this in the beginning? Foster a strong community. Wouldn't you want to build a strong community so the community speaks for itself in the product? Like you don't see advertisements for Ferrari or Lambo. I don't know if there are. It's just the people buy the product and they advertise it themselves by using it, by driving it around. Continue expanding marketing efforts to attract new users. Okay, sure. Conclusion: well-positioned, decentralized privacy, including the AI, ERC20, privacy reduction. Bro, listen, man. Listen, bro. Listen, man. Listen, man. Listen, man. Bro, bro. Compare something like this where they say the same shit. Keep improving our dApps. Keep improving our dApps. And they're talking it like it's a different phase. And then here, uh, conduct further marketing, increase the reach, and here explore partnerships, increase the reach, and then continue expanding marketing, new users, increase the. You're saying the same shit over and over. Then I compare it to this, bro. Look at this website first of all. Okay, look at this stuff, man, right here. Okay, bro, look at this, bro. An open source public network governed by leading organizations around the world, bro. Google, Zain, man. Bro, we're Kuwaiti, man. Zain, Dell, Boeing, Chainlink, Labs, Telecom. Bro, Ubisoft, UCL, Standard Bank. What else? Do I know this? EDF, Hitachi, LG. I said LG. And what's cool about Hedera is they have their own technology. It's not blockchain, it's hashgraph, and they patented it, so it's like it's theirs. I think they have the patent for it. Like if we look at their, where's their white paper? اي عادي عادي. Bro, like the platform built on the hashgraph distributed consensus algorithm invented by Dr. Lehman Bird. Like there's people who are supporting, like actual names I can see. I can Google this guy, you know? I can look at the I can Google IBM. Bro, look at this guy, man. Bro, I want a guy who looks like this to run the bag I'm holding. Hedera is the only crypto I will ever hold, bro. It's the only thing I will say, hold, hodl. Right? It's the only thing. Look at this guy, bro. This guy looks insane, bro. This guy doesn't sleep. He's busy working on your crypto, man. Man, I just think they're really solid and cool, man, to be honest, man. Yeah, these guys are solid, man. Like, bro, they just have a. If you read all of this, man, look, he even puts his picture, man. Look at these guys, man. We know who they are. These guys are not gonna fuck people. There's a chance these, like, sure, this zero times zero, you might make way more money because it's a high risk, high reward, but you're doing it to convert to dollars, you know? These guys are showing you who they are. This guy's a professor. They're not trying to fuck us. Everybody's trying to fuck you in this world. Everybody wants to take your shit. So like if I were to really just hold the crypto, bro, I would trade, I would figure out a way to make money, and I would put it into something I believe in. Like this is something I believe in. I would never just dollar cost average into this. I have a bag, I have a big bag, but what I'm not gonna just sit there and buy, bro. What is all this stuff? They're talking about their algorithm or whatever. But yeah, bro, they have sources, citations, it's just they're just a solid company, man. They're just a solid company. Hedera. And bro, once again, Zain, Google, LG. You know what it takes to have Google on your front page saying, "Hey, these are our governing council, these companies." Not no decentralized bullshit, not no privacy, because they're telling you, "Hey, we can't offer that. Doesn't exist in this world. But what we can give you is offer you a solid crypto project which is backed by these multi-billion dollar companies." Bro, for me this is like H bar, man. What's H bar at now? What's its market cap? Fully diluted. Where's normal? Here. 4 billion. I like this, man. Go up, go down, accumulation, and then you start to break out. So we can see it here. Maybe ETH goes to where Bitcoin is, Bitcoin goes down, Bitcoin dominance changes, and then we see Bitcoin go down, ETH go up here, then ETH goes down, then you see all these alts go up here. It's just that repeat of the cycle, possible. But they're getting some decent volume, 24-hour volume on Binance is 90 million. Coinbase 32. This is something I would hold, man. I bought like I think 50K of it, like here, not here, no, here or he. I can't tell, but it wasn't in the peaks. Yeah, I'm holding the fuck out of that, man. To be honest, man, I will not let that go. Is it on a decentralized exchange? Saucer swap. Look at arbitrage opportunities 1.24, 0.21. What is zero volume, $0 volume, 0.9 and 1.4. So you can take it to saucer swap it for H bar karate, and then swap it for H bar gem, and then swap your H bar gem into USD. If you have like $100 million, you can pump the whole thing. People will buy saucer swap. You pump that back too. You make even more money. Hey, bro, yeah, man. Everybody's trying to make their bag, man. I'm just saying, this stuff is hard, dude. Bro, like trading in itself is hard, bro. Following price, trying to find out where it's gonna go, bro, that's hard. But now it's a whole new level. Which crypto do I pick, bro? It's like, oh, man. And then I start to think, why the hell would I look at crypto when natural gas is moving so much? Or we look at Nvidia. Bro, Nvidia is a line. Nvidia is literally a line up. This is the 1 minute. Dude, like, this is a line up. Bro, no crypto is doing this. I'm sorry, there's no crypto that's doing this right now. This is moving like a shitcoin. This is moving like a shitcoin. Natural gas, bro, also moving like a shitcoin. What the fuck is this, bro? Bro, what is this, man? This is a shitcoin. This is like, bro, if you showed me this, I'll be like, yeah, that's definitely a Bitcoin in 2022. I would have told you that. It's Bitcoin in 2022. And then you tell me it's natural gas. I'm like, oh, wait, yeah, that is natural gas. Orange juice. Orange juice, bro. Bro, anybody asks me, what's your favorite chart? I show them orange juice, bro. Bro, this is the daily. Look at the weekly. Man, look at this. Bro, just buy orange juice, man. I mean 3x, your XO 0 times 0 is more, but bro, there's an Nvidia, natural gas, like there's other stuff that moves hella, man, like SMCI, bro, they just got added to the S&P. Bro, there's no crypto that's moving like this. You can't show me anything now that's moving like this. In 1 year, 12x. Let's see from here. In 77 days, 3x. Bro, that's more than your 0 times 0. You see? And this is the stock market, bro. This is no fraud bullshit. I mean, there is fraud, but like, you know what I mean? Like, damn, bro. There's some serious money to make in all of these, what's it called? There's so much money to make, man. Yeah. Oops, 9 minute, 10 minute. Yeah, this can definitely go up here. Yeah, we'll see. You know what I'll do? Look. I'm gonna get myself out of this position. This is what I'm gonna do. Oops, too late. It's too late. I was gonna buy 0.5. At this rate, I'll just leave it here and let it. Oh, I was gonna buy 0.5 here and just take this out for a profit so I can leave with 2,000 or 26,000. Like when you sit in trading and you try to make money, bro, it's impossible. It's impossible. It's not. It's so hard. I'm trying to make $4 and it's I'm struggling, bro. I'm struggling. But when you actually just follow a plan and just follow a setup, that's when you make good money. That's when you make serious money, man. Bro, I whenever I'm trading, I have three monitors, man. I have I'm not monitors. I'm talking like how many inches is this? My middle one is 27. The one on my left is like 32, and it's vertical. It's long. I have a big chart there. I have my laptop on the right, and I have an iPad on the middle. So, and on the between the laptop and the monitor in front of me. So I have gold on the left. I have the stream open on the top of that. On the middle, I have the platform. On the iPad, I have the dollar, and on the laptop, I have what's it called? Like just some random stuff, either YouTube open or another chart, news. You know, if I'm watching somebody live stream, I watch other traders live stream. Most of them are, bro, they're just lame as hell, man. I ain't gonna lie. But some of them are really cool. The ones that are cool, I follow them on Instagram. I don't follow the ones that I think are just They're just losers. They're sitting there talking, just random talking like there's some hedge fund, bro, and it's just lame, man. Why are you treating this like you're some fund manager, bro? Come on, man. Have some fun, man. Trade some $4 profits. Come on, man. Like, yeah, man. Where is this guy? There we go. Say we're gonna get our $4 and we're gonna. Well, like I should have bought here, man. Delete tick file. Gee, should have bought like 0.T3. خلصني و take it up here ولك وخلاص. But we're gonna do it. Today is the day. Today is the day we make $4. Okay. Get the paper. She gonna have to شنو ما تسوى على $4 عدي شوف my balance is 26004 my equity is 25983 so all I need is for this to go here if this goes here خلاص مع السلامة يعني راح اقعد وادرس economics وارتاح عشان انام واروح جامعة باكر so I can keep doing this and then tomorrow نبطل live you know حجي $4 this is a psychological number I usually grow accounts much faster than this because I'm more aggressive, but I want to make this a nice journey because I know I'm gonna do 30 to 60 live streams. Let's have fun, yeah. Let me try to make them all win. So I'm only trying to catch the best trades. I'm not trying to mess about, you know. I'm not trying to be high risk. I'm trying to take A plus setups that I know, like I just so sure these will work, man. Yalla, yalla, we need to make $10. Here, go up, go up. I even stopped analyzing if you noticed. I usually always look at 5 minute close, 15 minute close. Okay, we went down here, liquidity. ولك ما قاعد اشوف شيء الحين انا تعبان. ايه ان شاء الله ان شاء الله والله ان شاء الله ان شاء الله. متى عشاء؟ 9:07. اوكي اخلص هذا اروح اصلي. ايه ايه wait يلا. one tick, one tick, that's it. One tick, literally one tick, one. Oof, okay. يلا. I don't want to get swapped out. Okay, خلاص we did it. بس خلاص 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 بس we did it. We made the $4. Look at all this. Look at what the hell is this, man? What the hell am I doing, man? Alhamdulillah. Okay, everybody, anybody, whoever you are, wherever you are, whenever you are, most likely me, I will be watching myself when I'm older, inshallah. But for now, it was a nice stream. We closed the day off at 1,200. All the trades documented. Okay. So far, we're up on the account 5,800, 6,000. We're gonna continue to trade live. We're gonna grow this account. We're gonna wait for the opportunities. And I'm enjoying trading gold. I've never actively traded the gold, and I'm building some flow with it. I'm building a flow state with it. Yeah, bro, we made an extra two, man. That's how it is, bro. It's two. You know what I can do with $2, bro? Bro, falafel, زين, ماي, زين, تي طق طق شوية بنزين, زين. ولك وجبة هذه يا حجي، وجبة بطاط مخلل. But yeah, we're gonna continue to grow this. We're gonna continue to do our thing. We're gonna continue to be on point. I will be here tomorrow at the same time. This live stream's been going on for 3 hours and 10 minutes exactly, or 15 minutes, 3 hours and whatever, 15 minutes, 3 hours and 13 minutes. And we'll be here tomorrow, and we'll continue to do what we do. Alhamdulillah. But for now, we're done. We did our job for today. We are hungry, but we're not satisfied, for we will push. But that's me for today. Friends, family, we will see you all soon. My friend, Hamani, stay blessed. Take care. Most importantly, pray. Thank God for everything. Tawfiq. We'll see you all soon. Take care. It's Mullah Trades.